Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn social science and our topic is we need water. All living things need water for their survival. We human beings need water, animals need water, and as well as plant need water to grow. There can be no life without water. Uses of water. In our day to day life, there are many uses of water. What are they? We use water for drinking, bathing, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes. Sources of water. Where does water comes from? Rain. It is the main source of water. Rain falls on earth and fill other water bodies. They are stream. You can see the picture. There is a mountain with the snow. When this snow melts in summer due to heat, the water flows down as streams, and many streams join to form a river. River. A river and a stream are both fast moving water bodies, but river is larger, deeper and longer than a stream. Sea. A sea is a large body of water. Many rivers flows into the sea. Oceans. Big seas are called oceans. The water in seas and oceans is salty, so we cannot drink this water. Pond. A pond is different from a river or a stream because it does not have moving water, as well as it is smaller in size. Lake. A lake is usually larger and deeper than a pond. Well. Water is also found under the ground. When we dig wells, we get water. Waterfall. When water falls from a great height, a waterfall is formed. Water in our home. Tap water. Water from ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, oceans may not be clean. So this water is clean and then supplied to our homes through tap. Water filter. A water filter is used to clean water. We must boil water before drinking it. Saving water. How can you save water? We can save water by taking short bath. We should turn off the tap while brushing our teeth. Take only as much water as you can drink. So, water is the precious natural resource. We should not waste water. That's all. Thank you.